What's up, guys? Stefan from ZonGuru here, and today I'm really excited to show you our listing optimizer tool because this one's going to be a game changer for a lot of you guys, especially if you're kind of struggling to figure out what keywords should I be using in my listing, what keywords are my competitors using, why are they ranking better than me? This is really going to answer all of those questions. So I'm just going to start here by creating a new session, yoga mat, and I'm going to be doing a yoga mat optimization demo for you guys. All right, so the first thing that you want to do once you're in the new session is add some keywords. And you can do that two ways. So you can import from keywords on Fire, or you can type in your keywords manually. I really suggest you guys running a keywords on Fire session before you start optimizing, just to make sure that you've got a fresh keyword list and it's really relevant to your products. So I'm just going to pull these keywords, and when we do that, we pull in the keywords and we also pull in their search volume and their keywords on Fire score. So you've always got that kind of in front of you as a reference point. And then on the right hand side here, this is really where the game changer is, guys. So you can add up to 8 listings to compare against. So you can add a bunch of competitors at the same time and kind of see how well optimized each one of them is. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull in a few listings from Amazon here. All right. And when we pull the listings in, we're also pulling in, so we're pulling in like their title bullets and their search terms. So we're pulling in all of that information. And right away, you can kind of see some differences. The Amazon basics isn't that well optimized. It's kind of your score is about kind of 6,000. And this guy's actually done a pretty good job. He's kind of double that. And we're also showing you how much search volume have you kind of utilized based off of the keywords, and how much their combined revenue that you've used is. It's pretty cool. On the left hand side here, you can also see if you've used the keyword in a specific place that's indicated. So if you've got a star next to a keyword, that means you've got an exact match of that keyword in the title. Right away you can see this listing is actually missing the hot keyword, and that's probably that's kind of your second best keyword here according to Keywords on Fire. And right away, none of the competitors have optimized for it. So this competition column, if you hover, there's a description, but it shows you how many of the competitors that you've added up here have actually optimized for this keyword to be included in their listing. So right away, a win here is going to be to include this keyword hot in your title. So, right here is probably a good place, we can just say for hot yoga. And right away you can see, boom, your optimization score jumped about 1,000 points. So moving on, along with a full star, so you've also got a broad match in title, and that's kind of indicated by a half star here. And then if for keywords that are kind of not as important, that you don't want to use in your title, you have the check mark, which means broad match in listing. And right away you can kind of see how many keywords are just missing here in this listing. A pretty cool thing that you can do is you can just kind of hover down, and the keywords that are grayish have been used. The keywords that are kind of bright green, you can go and you can click them, and we put them right into your search terms. So you can kind of go down one by one, selecting which keywords you want. Another option that you have is click all of them and just do add to search terms, and that'll probably get you outside of the limit, but then you can kind of come in here and adjust. But that means that all of basically this listing is now optimized for all of these keywords because we've put them all into the search terms. Now that's not a good idea, right? You don't want to put the heaviest keywords into your search terms. You want to do this step at the end. But look at the optimization score now. It's gone up from, I think we started at around 10,000, now it's 17,000. That should really get you going and really let you compete against your competitors. Thanks.